Alright, so hey, I wanted to go over something that I've done recently within the last 2 years and show you guys, since it's a new account on YouTube, and I wanted to show you that I'm not BS and be transparent, and you guys can follow along, subscribe, and I will teach you guys how to actually start your own side hustle, your own little business, and get you making some money online. So I'm going to try and be fast here, but let me go over here. We got these products. This was a business that I launched a few years ago, so I'm trying to get it up here. So that's a lemon essential oil that you can see right there. Arthroma. It's got the dilution chart on the back of it, all the directions and everything. That's just one product. Carrier oil. So that is jojoba carrier oil. So you put this on your skin with the essential oil, a few drops of it, and comes with the pump. That's the same thing, just grapeseed oil. Doesn't have the pump on it right now, but that's 8 ounce. The other one was a 16 ounce. But basically, I'm showing you that that's a business I started a few years ago. Arthroma Essential Oils. Go to arthroma.com. They got great products, 100% pure and natural. So what happened is I started it and kind of got myself in over my head on this one, but it did take off, which was awesome. Basically, I started it, and you should have seen my house. Oh my God. I had labels. You see these labels here, right? All right? These labels, I had to buy them in thousands, right? They were like 5 cents a piece, something like that, when you buy them in thousands. And I had the designs actually created by an artist, which cost a good amount of money. So I had over 100 different SKUs and products. Started the company, poured my own oils, had reports to prove they were pure, did everything on it. So when somebody placed an order, what I would do is obviously pour it, label it, ship it, be fresh, awesome. Reviews were off the chain. We had such good reviews. The problem was, like I said, I work full time for UPS. I guess I could have quit my job, but I like my job, and I get great benefits, pension, you name it. Anyway, so without going crazy here, I ended up, at one point, we were doing over 100 orders a day, trying to fulfill these things, pour them. You could imagine. It was almost like a comedy show. I had many nights where I was up until 2, 3 in the morning, and I had to be up in the morning to work. I was doing very well, and I ended up selling the business for 5+ figures. And I can't get into details on that because of non-disclosures. But that was a business that I sold. That was about 1.5 years ago. These are just samples that I had when I first started and stuff. We did a lot of testing and a lot of due diligence on it, and these are some of the first ones I had. It's just leftovers. But that's one business I started, and just to give you an example of what you can do, that's why I wanted to make the video, so you can actually start something like this. So I launched it on Shopify, and at that time, that was like 4 or 5 years ago. I was like, wow, Shopify is an amazing platform. How you almost plug and play like almost anything you want. So if you want like a header bar to actually like tell people on the top free shipping, you click a little button and you get a free bar on the top of your website. There's no HTML code, there's no nothing. I'm not going to get into the actual Shopify right now, but just to give you an example, I launched on Shopify and I learned that platform, and it was amazing. Built my own website and everything, and it was a cool freaking experience, I'd say. And if you guys want to learn all that, give me a subscribe, and we're going to go over everything, including more into this. If you guys want to learn how to launch your own business and all that from somebody that's actually done it, a lot of people that I see on social media are putting stuff out, but they've never went through any of it. They've never done it. They've never sold a business. They've never created a business that actually was successful. I had 7-figure business per year, doing over $1 million in sales. So, you can do it. It's definitely possible. It just depends on what you want to do. Do you want to do the affiliate marketing? Do you want to do drop shipping, which is hard these days? Do you want to do a physical product like something like this? It is up to you. And then you got to think about now with all the competition, like when I started my business in '97, there was really no competition. I mean, it was like big companies, and then little guys, because nobody knew how to do it. You had to get like a merchant account back then. You had to get separate hosting accounts. You had to have somebody for the website. You had to have an SSL for a secure website. It was crazy back then. I mean, you had to actually, I remember I had to actually put my house down on my merchant account for Visa, MasterCard, and credit card, and Amex, and you had to get them all separate. Amex separate than Discover, Visa and MasterCard separate, and you had to use your house as like kind of like collateral. So if you do something like illegal or fraud, they can actually come after you. I mean, that was back in the day. I mean, it's crazy. Now you can just get a Shopify account, and it's all included. It's like nothing. You don't have no credit check, no nothing. So anyway, give me a subscribe, and I'll teach you guys. And I look forward to all of you guys get some comments, ask me some questions. If you want me to do something specific, or you're trying to do something and you want me to like kind of help you with it, just comment or shoot me an email or DM, and I'll try to help you guys. All right.